Welcome to Caiel Fun Stuff.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe.
Let's hide, kids. Okay.
I'm gonna use my bare foot. Come on, we can do it. I did it with
we have to
my
go two
bare
different ways.
foot.
Yay! High five, baby.
Actually, we'll go the same way.
Great job.
Pieces of wood. Look how wobbly it is. Now we have to make it on the abandoned ship. And if you go, kids, if you go here, it'll be really scary. Now let's go over there. Mommy,
Yes.
tag. Hi kids, we're eating at Chicago Cube. Hi kids.
Oh, are not gonna try this?
So let's play at home. But we need to be back.
Okay.
Hi kids. So these are my new clothes for my school. So and they're already been washed. So if it's summer on my first day of school, I'm gonna wear this one smart cookie. And if it's a little bit cold on my first day of school, I'm gonna wear this star with sequins on it. And look! So it is a sequence because it can change color when I put it up and down. So these are my other new clothes for my new school year. Hi, Green. We got this cute little kitty heart. Wow! It even changed colors too. Wow! So kids, it was dark blue, and now and we got a cute ballerina and a unicorn legging, and we got a cape. a parent shoe, but it's a little bit too big for me. But it's okay, I'll grow up soon. Look kids, it even light up. And the other one too. They both light up when you step on them. But when it's already dirty, you just step and step, but you cannot touch the other anymore. And this one is my other shoes for my kids. It's very neat paper. And look at those stars, pink stars, teal stars, purple stars. And these two are from Skechers, as you can see on the box.